I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. Room unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello class. I hope you are having an amazing day today. So today we're going to be learning more about how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators, okay? That means that the denominators are the same, okay? Make sure you take notes on everything I write on the screen, okay? Including what's on the screen right now. Alright, so fractions are part of whole, okay? Just like decimals, they're part of a whole. Before you add or subtract fractions, look at the denominators. Fractions must be from the same whole before they can be added or subtracted, okay? So remember, here's my fraction bar, and my number on top is my numerator, and the number on the bottom is my denominator. So my number on the bottom needs to be the same for the other fractions that I'm going to be adding or subtracting, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move down to our first example, okay? So go ahead and write this down. Adding fractions with like denominators. Step 1, add the numerators, okay? Step 2, the denominators stay the same. How simple is that? Let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's say I have 2/5 plus 1/5, okay? Now, step 1 says to add the numerators, okay? So that means the number on top, okay? So that means 2 plus 1, I know that equals 3, okay? So it's going to be 3. Step 2 says the denominators stay the same, so that means it would be 5. 3/5 would be my answer. Okay, what does that look like as a picture? Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 5 bars because my denominator, okay, the number on the bottom, my denominator tells me how many pieces there are. My numerator is going to tell me how many pieces are shaded, okay? So for 2/5, it would be shaded 2, 1, 2, and for 1/5, it would be shaded 1 time, 1, okay? Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 shaded and 5 in total. So it would still be 3/5. Let's see what that would look like as a number line. Okay, so here I have a number line. Here is 0, and here is 1 whole, or because my denominator is 5, it will be 5 out of 5. Okay, because 5 pieces of 5 pieces is a whole number, okay? All right, now we just gotta fill in everything from 0 to 5/5. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, and 4/5. Okay, so let's see what this looks like when I'm adding 2/5. Okay, so 2/5 plus 1/5. Okay, so here I have 1/5, 2/5. Okay. Oops, you can't see that. Okay, there we go. Now I'm adding the 1/5. And so my answer is still 3/5, okay? So that's what that looks like with a number line. So here I gave you 3 examples on what to do. Okay, here's a numerical way to do it, picture way, and number line. I want you to go ahead and try this example with me. Alright, so here is your problem for you to do on your own, okay? 5, 6 plus 1, 6 equals what, okay? Go ahead and pause the video here and let me know what do you get, okay? Your answer should be 6 over 6 or 1 whole, okay? Alright, so now we're going to look at subtracting fractions with like denominators. Okay, subtracting fractions with like denominators. Step 1, subtract the numerators. Kind of like the other one. Step 2, the denominators stay the same. That sounds really familiar. Alright, so let's look at this. Okay, so I have here 5, 6 minus 3, 6, okay? And so step 1 says 5, subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 3 is 2, okay? So that's my numerator. And step 2 says the denominator stay the same, so 6, okay? Let's see what that looks like as a picture. Here I have my box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, 5, 6, okay? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are shaded, okay? And now I need to subtract 3, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So how many do I have left? 1, 2. 2 over 6, okay? Let's see what that looks like as a number line. Okay, so here I have my number line. Here I have 0, and here I have 6 over 6, or, which is a whole number, okay, because I have 6 pieces of 6 pieces. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in my number line, make sure everything is evenly spaced out. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, and 5, 6, okay? So we start out with 5, 6. So all the way over here. Okay. And now we go back 3. 1, 2, 3. And my answer is still 2, 6. Okay. Now I want you to do a problem on your own, okay? Here is your example for you to do on your own, okay? 7 over 7 minus 2 over 7, okay? Go ahead and pause the video right here and do what you need to do, whether that is to do it like this, draw a picture, or use a number line, okay? Remember, you can always go back to see what I did so that way you can do it too, okay? So pause right here. Perfect. Let's see what you got. So I know 7 minus 2 is going to be 5 over 7, okay? Good job. All right. That is it for the notes. Let's go ahead and look at what your notes should look like in the notebook, okay? So make sure you go ahead and put this down in your notebook, okay? Pause the video over here and make sure you write this in your notebook. Exit ticket, okay? What is the difference between the fraction 7/8 and 3/8? Okay, what is the difference? Okay, difference means I'm gonna subtract. So 7/8 minus 3/8, what is the answer? Okay, and then let's look back at our objectives. Okay, students will know how to add and subtract fractions. Students will understand how to use objects and pictorial models to add and subtract fractions. Students will be able to share in a group discussion how to represent and solve addition and subtraction fractions with equal denominators using objects and pictorial models that build to the number line and properties of operations. Did we do that? Did we learn that? Yes, we did. Essential questions. How can you represent the addition of fractions? That means, can you show in picture form how to add fractions? Yes, you should be able to because we just learned that. Alright, so that is it for today. I hope you have an amazing day, and remember, each day you learn more, your brain is growing more. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.